Insert the SIM card into the car slot. Plug the product into the car's USB port. Click the upper right corner to turn on Wi-Fi and search for the product's Wi-Fi signal. Input the original password. Be sure to click the Stay Connecting during driving after the Wi-Fi connection is successful. Enter to the car's green browser page and enter the URL in the address bar. Click on the top right corner to bookmark the site. Turn on iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Find and click to connect the Bluetooth signal displayed on the car screen on your phone.